How to reset any Amana washing machine. Fast and simple. Method 1. Power cycle reset. Hard reset. Step 1. Unplug the washer or switch off its circuit breaker. Step 2. Wait 5-15 minutes. Give it time to completely discharge. Step 3. Plug it back in. Step 4. Lift and close the lid 6 times, raising the lid at least 2 inches each time. Step 5. Select any basic cycle, then press start to check if it runs normally. Method 2. Electronic calibration. Reset. Step 1. Ensure all LEDs are off. Step 2. Turn dial in this pattern. Left, right, 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 left, right. Step 3. All LEDs should blink, then stop. Step 4. Turn dial to select rinse. Step 5. Press start. Machine will do a 3 to 5 minute calibration. Reset cycle.